guys, I'm back for part 2. Yo, check out this man's skyline. Yo, I mean, this is some beast.
Alright, we're gonna do a song right now.
I mean, we got the vets, like a 3 lineup, like in the last, like in one of the other videos I posted, remember? Where I line up with 3 vets, oh, make that 4. Ooh, we got the Mustang back there. Sorry guys, it's just so dang cold out. I know. But guys, make sure to like and subscribe to see more of my content. And I can't leave a link to my friend's channel, ATV Car Guy. Yeah, ATV Car. Yo, Audi. Woo, slug bug. Dang, we got them supercars. I mean, we got Porsches, even Mercedes. And a nice BMW. Jeep. Mr. Barry. Ooh, another Mercedes. Hey, I was talking to these guys earlier. Wow, isn't it the muchacho? Yeah, and I'm recording a video from my YouTube channel. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next car show.